we're going to make the banana deep conditioning conditioner. So I'm going to cut up like half of a banana. And what I'm going to be using is a Ninja. So I hope that I don't have to use a strainer or anything. I think I should be okay with that. As far as the banana pulp or strings or whatever go, some people strain it, but I don't think we're going to have to. I hope not anyway. Okay, that's half of a banana. I'm going to shake up my aloe vera juice, lily of the desert. I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup, half a cup. And I'm going to use some honey. And that's going to be a tablespoon of honey. And about a tablespoon or a little less of coconut oil. And a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So I'm going to top this up. Tight. Get our Ninja plugged up here. And I'm going to blend that. Okay, I'm going to see what that looks like. Looks pretty fine. We're going to do it a little bit longer. All right. And here's our banana deep conditioner. And I'm going to, if I have any left over, I'll put some in the refrigerator and keep it because aloe vera needs to be stored in the refrigerator. It has aloe vera in there. So there you go. Okay, we are trying the deep conditioner. Her hair is very thick. This is my daughter's hair. See all that pretty hair she got? Woo! Mine was never this thick. It was fairly long, but it wasn't this thick. She has pretty thick hair. She just washed it, so we're just putting the conditioner on. Running it through. And get it to the roots and distribute it through the hair. I couldn't keep this stored. When you make the banana deep conditioner, you can only store it for like a day or two because it has the bananas and the honey and everything, and it's supposed to be stored in the refrigerator. But as far as just keeping it in a bottle like conditioner, we couldn't do that. Okay, since her hair is thick, we're going to use just about all of this. So we got it saturated pretty good in there. Okay. One more run through with the fingers and we are done. Okay, and that's it. Now we're going to put a plastic cap on her.